Hello everybody, Jack Olmstead, Digital Reporter. I'm here in Santa Rosa. This is Annadelle. We've got ducks flying into Spring Lake. We've got chicken hawks, and we've got a bird tree. Remember Alfred Hitchcock's movie, The Birds? Well, here it is. The birds. Look at them go. This is a tree. This is a spot they seem to like to come back to. And I'm going to just hang out down here. See that chicken hawk? You see that chicken hawk? Yeah, see, they're all coming back. Look at them all. Why this tree? Look at them. Bird land. Look at them all. They're all coming back. Maybe they're not. Hey, that wasn't me. That was not me. So if anybody has an idea of why they do this, what's going on, please leave a comment down below. Kind of cool with the moss. They're watching me. I don't want to scare them. Here we can walk into the moss. Look at those birds. I'm talking about the ones above the trees. Here they come. Here they come. What happened? What happened? We're all quiet. What are we listening for? There we go. We got back. They're quiet. We're quiet. Look at it. They're quiet. Here we go. Nothing to worry about is bird droppings. You see all those birds. Here's somebody who's going to cut one loose. You don't want to be behind it, so I think about, whoa, I see something coming down. It's a leaf, the feathers. Ooh, there we go. Here I go. see this, but these guys are coming from all over. You see them as little tiny dots, and here they come. One group and the other. Boy, they're so fast, so quick. And then zoom. They all have their own little groups. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Some of them are just staying on the tree. They didn't go too far. There's a group. You wonder, are they social? Why do they do this? What are they saying? Whatever they're saying, they got a lot to say. Boy, they all coming on this one, on these two trees. They all went that way. They all went that time. There isn't a single one on the branch. We've got a couple of them up there on the wire. They made a run for it. See if they're going to come back. There you have it. Jack Olmsted, digital reporter, reporting from Santa Rosa, California, at the Bird Tree in Howarth Park. Actually, I think this is more like Spring Lake / Howarth Park. And it's been a couple of minutes, and the birds have not returned. The mystery of the birds in Santa Rosa. If you know anything, let me know down below. See you next time.